Friends, in today's video I am going to tell about OnePlus keyboard. Hello friends, I am Ankit. No wait, only tell. Let's start this video. Now let's talk about guys keyboard. Friends, OnePlus Mini launched its upcoming keyboard in India on February 7th. The picture of the upcoming OnePlus keyboard has also been leaked. OnePlus keyboard is designed for both Mac and Windows. OnePlus is about to launch its keyboard in India with its flagship smartphone series OnePlus 11. The plus of this keyboard has also been leaked in the same report. Now OnePlus keyboard cutting a stapler and a 91 mobiles report has claimed that OnePlus is about to launch its all-new keyboard at an event on February 7th, where the company will also launch its flagship OnePlus 11 smartphone series. The keyboard and most of the key in the picture are white and the enter key has been colored yellow for an essence. At the moment it's is not now how many color options the keyboard will come with. Okay friends, and I hope this video very best video. Friends, in today's video you will get this much. In the next video, if you have not subscribed to the channel before that, do so. Bye guys.